Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a patriotic nail polish. It's really easy to do. The hardest part is waiting for everything to dry. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a base coat and a top coat. I like this Sally Hansen Double Duty. You need a white. I like a pearlized finish. Blue polish. And a red. And Nailene's Perfect Tips. Okay, the first thing I do is put 2 coats of the base coat on, mainly because my nails are so incredibly brittle that I like to keep a lot of polish on. So if I don't, they break off like crazy. Let that dry, and then you go in and put a second coat on. Okay, after the base coats are dried, and I've got 2 on, I'm going to put 2 coats of the white. And we'll let this coat dry and put on a second coat. Okay, and we'll be back when they're dry. Okay, now that the white is all dried, I'm taking the little strips of Nailene's Perfect Tips and just placing them on my nails. Just like I'd be doing a French manicure. And you want to press it down the same way that you do painter's tape. And I'm going to repeat this on all of my nails. Okay, I've got all the tape on my nails, and you don't have to have long nails for this. It works on short ones just as easily. I'm starting with the blue. And you're just painting them the same as you would when you're just painting your nails. And no, I don't worry about getting it on my skin because it always comes off with a little soap and water or some hand cream. You're going to paint up to that tape. This is thick polish, but I have a feeling it's going to take 2 coats. And I'm going to repeat it for all of my nails. Okay, once you get the blue done, and you do the tips with the red. And this is so red that I don't need 2 coats. And I'll let this dry and then pull off the tape and see what we got. And I know it looks a mess right now. But it'll look better. Okay. Now to wait for it to dry. Okay, the polish is dried, and now for the big reveal. And there's your red, white, and blue nails. And all I have to do is wash my hands, get a little baby oil and or hand cream on there to get rid of all the mess that's on the sides, and it's done. Okay, they're all cleaned up. This one got a little bit messed up because I didn't have the tape pressed all the way down. Hindsight is 20/20, so I'll remember to make sure I have it pressed tightly next time. And the last thing you do is either put on some of the top coat, or I'm going to use the ice glitter just because I like glitter. I'm just going to put 1 coat on here as a top coat, and I'm all ready for any patriotic holiday there is. I definitely like the glitter better. And it fills in that ridge where the tape was. And protect your work. And yeah, I'd say they're ready for the holidays. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.